these apps appears show you
How to reset Safari browser on iPhone. It's super easy process to reset Safari browser, and here's how to do it. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Safari, and here scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data, and in this time range select All History, and if you want to close all tabs, enable it and click on Clear History. Once done, scroll down and tap on Advanced and tap on Website Data, and here you will find all of your website data and search histories. Now to clear all of them, just tap on Remove All Website Data, tap on Remove Now. Once done, relaunch your Safari browser, and as you can see, I've successfully resetted my Safari browser. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.